Hello, Ate Sel, partner, sister, nangni. Lahat na yan ating tawagan hanggang yung last na nga naging nangni dahil kinuha kitang ninang sa kasal ko. Long time ago, 1998. Yun. Dual citizen ka na pala. So, enjoy the privilege of having discounts. Yan. Maraming pribilehiyo pag ikaw ay dual citizen na. So, enjoy lang. Enjoy lang ang life. Alam ko namang nag-enjoy ka pa dito sa Saudi. Tagal na, no? Tagal na natin dito sa Saudi. Ikaw naman napaka-successful mo na kasi may nurse ka na, may engineer ka na. At syempre, yung iyong big mansion, ayun, tapos na. So, talagang nagpapayaman na lang ng gusto. So, yun nga, enjoy mo lang. Enjoy lang ng ninang. So, again, happy birthday. And alam mo yan, di man tayo laging nagkakausap. But in my heart, alam mo yan, I love you. And happy birthday. And stay safe. And alam ko namang you're living a healthy life. Love you na lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mama Bibet. Wish po namin sa'yo more birthdays to come and good health palagi. Thank you for giving us love and happiness. I love you, Mama Bibet.
Birthday, Mamila. Thank you to make wishes, Mamila.
Happy birthday, Ate Bibet.
Happy birthday, Ate Bibet.
Happy birthday, te. Happy senior. Kahit senior na, hindi pa naman halata. Ang tanging wish ko sa iyo ay laging masaya. Good health always. At sana laging pagpalain ng Diyos na may kapal.
Happy birthday po! Hello, Ninang Sel. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo na. Senior ka na. Good health, pirme. Ingat. From Sinita family.
Hello Mama Bibet! Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday po from Dagan family.
Happy birthday, Mama Bibit. More birthdays to come.
Hello Mama Bibit, happy birthday po. Wishing you love and laughter along this year. And furthermore, have a healthy life along the way.
Happy birthday, Mama Bibit. We love you. Salamat sa mga suporta mo sa Kuyang Aki. Salamat.
I love you, Mama Bibit. Salamat sa gabos. More birthdays to come. Thank you po. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Bibet.
Happy 60th birthday.
Wish you all the best. Ingat ka lagi dyan.
God bless.
God bless.
From Cavite with love. Yay!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Bibet. Ingat palagi dyan. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Bibit. Sabi niya, salamat. Nagkita tayo. Salamat. I love you, Bibit. I love you.
Hello, Ate Bebet. Happy birthday. I'm wishing you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come. See you.
Hello, Ate Sel. First of all, let me thank you for coming to our lives. We treat you like our own sister, like our own mother, even if we're not blood related. And it is really our joy to see you happy. So we're always here to support you, to love and care for you. Importante ka sa amin. And today, I hope that you will enjoy your birthday So God bless you always. And again, happy birthday.
Hi Ate Sel, happy birthday po. Happy 60th birthday po sa inyo. Wish ko lang po, lagi po kayo mag-ingat, lagi po watch po yung health po ninyo, especially pare-parehas na po tayo ng maintenance. happy birthday po, enjoy niyo po yung araw niyo po, enjoy niyo po yung panibagong taon na pinagkalaw sa atin ng Panginoon. And then, always po happiness, good health, more success, opportunity po sa career po, sa trabaho po. And pangaba, yun lang po. Happy birthday po. God bless po.
Hi Ate Sel, isang mapagpalang kaarawan sa iyo. Welcome to 20% discount club sa Pilipinas. Yun, ang tanging hiling ko lang naman sa iyo, mahabang buhay, syempre, para matagal ka pa namin makasama, malusog na pangangatawan at yun, magandang kalusugan para sa iyo. Yun. Maraming salamat sa pagiging titang ina sa amin lahat, ha? Happy birthday, Ate Sel.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Sel. May the next years of your life be filled with love, happiness, and joy, surrounded by the people that you love. And may you continue to serve the Lord just as you have started serving Him through our community. So again, happy birthday, and I wish you all the best.
Hi Mommy! Happy birthday! First, I want to thank you for being not just a mom, but also a true friend to all of us. Your love and care are deeply felt by each and every one of us. And for that, we are truly grateful. Mommy, please remember that we are always be here for you, ready to support you in any way we can. And yes, we will keep an eye on what you are eating. Anyway, Mommy, happy birthday. We love you. I love you. Enjoy your day. May God bless you and your family. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Sel. At dahil dual citizen ka na, so remind ko lang yung mga benefits. Wheelchair assistance sa airport. Of course, meron ka ng special lane. At the same time, free na ang PhilHealth coverage mo. Meron ka ng 20% discount sa commodities, sa electric and water bills. At libre na ang movie. Kasi sa Batangas City, as far as I know, Monday ang libre movie for dual citizens. But seriously, happy 60th birthday. Sana ay lalo ka pang maging healthy and young looking. Hoping na sa mga susunod na years pa na pagsasama natin ay mas maging makabuluhan at memorable pa ito. Thank you sa effort parate para maipagluto kami ng masarap na food kapag weekend, sa love and care mo sa amin ng tropa, and we are truly blessed to have you as our ate, nanay, Manay Celia here in Saudi Arabia. We love you, enjoy your day. Sana lahat ng wishes mo ay matupad. God bless you more, Ate Sel, and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy!
Hello, Mommy! Happy birthday! This is your favorite son here in Saudi. Huy! Alam ko namang hindi ako yun, pero mahal pa din kita. And alam ko wala ka namang favorite kasi favorite mo kaming lahat. But anyhow, I wish you happy birthday and good health, happiness. Magtagal pa kayo ni Daddy sa Pinas. But of course, road to forever. But I love you. I'm always here for you. Happy birthday again. Bye-bye. Mwah.
Hello, Ate Sel. Happy birthday. I just want to let you know that we are proud to have you as our friend. We are lucky to have you as our sister, our mother. Ngayon 60 ka na, to our Lola. But don't worry, you are a beautiful Lola. And I wish you more blessings and good health and more birthday to comes. So again, wishing you more blessings because you deserve it. Happy birthday.
Mami, happy birthday.
Birthday po.
We love you. See you soon. Always take care of your health. May library card ka na. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, ma. Love you. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Mami Bibet. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Bibit. Wishing you healthy, wealthy, and many more birthdays to come. Love you, Mrs. Trenlo.
Tabi, we will say happy birthday to Mommy. Ha? Oh, tara.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Tay. Maraming salamat sa pagpadaba mo sa Muya. Wala si Tabi. Now, dual citizen ka na. Marami ng, alam mo na, marami ka ng discount. sa lahat ng mga bibilin mo, may 20% ka. Kaya deserve mo na yung 20% mo. Okay, bye-bye. Love you all. Thank you.
Happy birthday, ate. Pasensya na. Wala akong alam sa pagbibideo. Ito lang ang kaya. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, te. Happy birthday. See, I still send a message even though present naman ako sa occasion mo. I just want to say thank you sa pagpadaba mo sa Muya. Sa gabos na magtulugang since na ikaw nga ni ang panganay. Ikaso panganay na iniintindihan lahat. Ikaso panganay na yaon pirmi sa Muya even though may sometimes na hindi kita pinagkakaunawaan but still you still hold on. Thank you sa love. Thank you sa care. Thank you kung hain ako kami ngunyan. It's because of you. Thank you sa paglove mo lalo na kay Betty. Nag-cry pa ako. Anyway, I just wish you more birthdays to come, good health. Watch your diet. I know you're watching your diet carefully. And then, take your medicine. 60 years old pa lang, still mahaba pa yung time mo dito sa mundo. Just take care of yourself. And lagi kaming nandito para sa'yo. To love you, to care for you. Whatever happens, we're here for you. I love you, Te. Thank you so much po. Mwah!
Man, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today and the year ahead is full of many blessings. Lagi kang mag-iingat dyan. I love you so much.
Happy birthday. Oh, yeah.
Wala ko si Sunny.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Mama Bibit.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Sel. Citizen ka na.
Happy birthday!